find yourself working on your Jeep Wrangler and needing a nice and secure place to set your tools or to protect the paint while you're working over the fender, today we're going to be checking out this Jeep branded Fender Gripper. Now this is on our 2012 JK. We've got some tools laid out, and I've got to say I use these things a lot in the shop to not only protect the fender, but also for a nice grippy place to put my tools. This Fender Gripper is going to hold your tools nice and tight while you're working on your Jeep and not let them slip and fall, because you really don't want that to happen. This features the Jeep logo as well as their signature 7-slot grill. This is all Mopar branded, so you know it's the right logo, and it's going to look great when you throw it on the Jeep. I'd highly recommend this if you want a nice place to lean over your Jeep and not damage your paint or your fender flares. This is going to hold your tools and look great, and you can find it right here at cjponyparts.com.